In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Sheets using a specific workaround with Zipper, also known as Zapier. Sometimes the direct integration doesn't work as seamlessly as we'd like, which is where Zapier comes in handy. Not only does it make the process smoother, but it also adds a layer of automation that can save you a significant amount of time. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Zapier homepage. You can simply search for Zapier in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, you're looking for the button that says Create, which you'll click on. This is where we start building what's known as a Zap, an automated workflow that connects Notion to Google Sheets for us. Next, you'll click on Zaps in the interface. This directs you to a new page where we can construct our task. Think of this as setting up a series of instructions that tell Zapier what you want it to do. In the search bar that appears, you'll type Connect Notion to Google Sheets. This little phrase serves as a query to find a module or workflow that already exists, so you don't have to create it from scratch. Once you've typed it in, press the Enter key on your keyboard to proceed. This action brings up a set of pre-made templates for connecting Notion and Google Sheets. Here's where you choose the one that best fits your needs. Make sure to pick a template that matches the data transfer or synchronization style you're looking for. Without adding any unnecessary work, click Continue to move forward. This sets the framework for your new Zap. It's important to be sure that the Notion app is correctly selected in the Trigger App field. This means when something happens in Notion, it automatically triggers an action in Google Sheets. You'll confirm this by selecting Notion from the list of available apps. Then you'll be directed back to the Zapier home, where you'll see an option for automated workflows. By clicking on this, you're now opening up a range of automation possibilities that Zapier offers. Essentially, this takes our task from being a manual chore to an automated process, giving you back time to focus on other important tasks. To round off, just ensure everything is saved and appear as intended. Zapier will usually prompt you if something's amiss. It's always a good idea to do a quick check that the Zap is turning on and that both Notion and Google Sheets are linked properly. Once that's all sorted, your data should flow seamlessly between Notion and Google Sheets without any glitches. And there you have it, a straightforward yet effective way to connect Notion to Google Sheets using Zapier. I hope you find this guide easy to follow and that it helps you boost your productivity by automating some of your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tricks.